In this video, I'll show you how to use the eye contact AI feature in Descript Storyboard. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, if you don't have a teleprompter, this is not a problem with the eye contact feature because now you can keep looking at the camera no matter where you're looking, at your script, screen or slides. The eye contact feature uses AI to subtly adjust your gaze in video so that it appears that you're looking directly into the camera, even when you're reading something off the camera. Now, it's a really awesome feature, and this is what we should get once we do our quick example here. And no more retakes or memorization, no teleprompter necessary. Choose your eyeball angle, and as always, say goodbye to retakes, because sometimes you have to do retakes, especially when you realize, hey, I was looking at the script instead of looking into the camera. Eye contact is going to fix all that, and I'm going to come back to a few things that you need to know, but for now I'm in Descript Storyboard, and under the videos I want to get a stock footage, and I'm going to go with this one specifically. Let's just add it here. It's a short one, and the lady in this particular stock footage is looking to the side, like how you would be reading a script or maybe some slides, looking really good. But we want us to keep the eye contact that she will be looking straight at us or straight into the camera. So I'm going to make a selection, and once I click on it, the effects or this particular sidebar is going to pop up with all the different options we need. I'll click on the plus and then click on eye contact. It's still in beta, so it may take a while to process, and once I click on it, it's going to start applying the eye contact kind of AI feature so that her gaze is going to be straight at us. And this is something really magical because it's going to save you a ton of time, especially if you read from scripts and you just want to keep it like that. So it's already happened. The lady is looking at us. So it's just downloading some media for what is remaining. But if you actually turn it off, she looks to the side. If we turn it on, she looks straight at us. If I play this, she's looking right at us. So whenever she tries to go to the other side, she's always looking at us. So if we actually turn it off and go to the beginning, she's looking to the side for like the whole time. Let's go back and then turn it on. She's now looking at us, and the AI feature keeps adjusting depending on what is happening. Now, the good thing with this is that you can apply it to different sections. You can make a couple of cuts and then apply it where you want it to be. It's not a must. It's available on your whole footage or your whole video, because sometimes you may be looking into the camera and you don't want it to be activated. But let's activate it now. And there she is, and then we can go straight into some quite a read here, and I'll leave the links in the description below. And this is the eye contact. It's still in beta, so eye contact off, eye contact on. That's what we've seen in that particular quick presentation and example. It's an AI powered video effect that will digitally rotate your eyeballs to make it appear that you're looking directly into the camera. So if you're reading a script that's just off camera, or looking at a teleprompter, or you get distracted by your cat making a TikTok in the kitchen, eye contact will keep your eyes locked on your viewer, making your video feel personal and engaging. So it's pretty simple to apply that, and I've actually walked you through how to use the eye contact feature in Descript, and that's how you do it. But finally, this is of importance: tips and best practices for eye contact on video. For best results when using eye contact on a video, consider the following recommendations. Use eye contact on videos of a single person with their eyes clearly visible. That's very important. Avoid excessive movement in the video. Next up, we have use studio lighting or other well-balanced lighting setups instead of backlighting for optimal results. And then we have minimize extreme angles between the face and the camera. A straight-on angle generally provides the best outcome. If the person wears glasses, reflections on the lenses may affect eye contact. So that's important for all of us to kind of know. But that is how the eye contact AI feature works in Descript Storyboard. really awesome. You can turn it off, turn it on. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.